What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. And there you can see kind of mess is there on my desktop because I want to show you something. That's the car music system, and that's my newly built subwoofer amplifier, and these two are the bookshelf speakers that you've seen before. So everything is connected, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a subwoofer to your car music system, just like this. So let me turn this thing off and let me show you the connections. So here, that's the back side. As I told you, this that's the socket for the power connection, power supply, and the top connection. These different colors were there for the speaker connections, two for the front speaker and two for the rear speakers. Now let's come to this side. Here you can see 4 RCA sockets are there. So that's the pre-out coming from this system without the amplifier. I mean before the amplifier, before it going to the speakers. From the preamp it's coming out through this RCA. So you can connect 2 for the front speakers left right and 2 for the rear speakers left right. So I think you should connect to the front speakers, or you can connect to the left speakers too if you connect 2 subwoofers like that. So either you can connect like both of them and goes to the preamp of the subwoofer filter, or you can connect only one for the left channel of the preamp kit of the subwoofer. And here, that's my newly made amplifier, and this thing has the only one input right there, one RCA, which is going to the left channel of this kit. So only one channel is there at the input, so I have connected only one RCA right there. So this is the way to connect a subwoofer to a car music system. Just use the RCA sockets. And also another thing is that you can connect another amplifier using this RCA. So like you connect 4 speakers right there and connect another power amplifier or that kind of thing to this RCA, and connect another 2 big speakers or like that. But you can control all of them using this music system only. So that's the plus point of this thing. So this RCA socket for the other amplifiers and for the subwoofers. So I have connected one, and now let's test it. So now the point is, this thing requires 12 volt and I have only one adapter right there, 5 amp adapter, and this thing also requires 12 volt. So I'm going to connect both of them to that 5 amp power supply. You're going to need more power supply for this kind of setup, but it's okay. I'm going to connect the 5 amp just to show you how it works. For the proper working you need higher amps. So this thing is the Bluetooth connected to my mobile phone, and let me play some songs. That's the normal sound coming from these 2 bookshelf speakers only. Now let me turn this thing on, the subwoofer. This thing is connected to an 18 subwoofer driver. Now let's play the song again and increase the volume so we can check the bass.